You see a TV on sale for $440, marked as 20% off. What was the original price? The most common mistake is to find 20% of 440 and add it back. That's wrong. The real answer and the secret to mastering everyday financial math is much simpler. It all comes down to one powerful shift in thinking. Stop adding percentages and start using multipliers. To increase something by 10%, you don't add, you multiply by 1.1. For a 20% discount, you multiply by 0.8. This one change unlocks everything. Consider this. A price goes up 10%, then the new price drops 10%. You're not back where you started. You've actually lost 1% because you apply the multipliers sequentially, first times 1.1, then times 0.9. Now, back to that TV. To get the sale price, the store multiplied the original price by 0.8. The rule is simple. To go forward in time, you multiply. To go backward and find the original price, you do the opposite. You divide. So 440 divided by 0.8 equals $550. That was the original price. This same rule demystifies taxes. In Australia, the 10% GST included in a price isn't 10% of the total you pay. It's actually 1/11th of it. Because to add the tax, the original price was multiplied by 1.1. To find just the tax amount from the final price, you divide the total by 11. Even complex income tax follows a simple logic. You aren't taxed at one flat rate. Your income is sliced into brackets, and each slice is taxed at its own progressive rate. So the key isn't being a math genius. It's knowing the power of the multiplier. To apply a change, you multiply. To reverse it, you divide. That single principle cuts through the confusion of sales and taxes, giving you clarity on where your money is really going.